Hello, this is David Shreve. We're just going to go over graphing an absolute value equation here. Been getting a lot of questions on these, and a lot of students have had trouble with them on the assignment. So I wrote the first step over here. The first thing that we're going to want to do is find the vertex. To do that, we're just going to set this area in the absolute value symbols equal to 0. And we're going to solve for x. So you see here that x is equal to -3. We're going to plug that back in, if you will. When this is equal to 0, your y is going to equal -2. So we get our vertex at -3, -2. I'm going to go ahead and plot that point. So -1, 2, 3, -1, 2. That point's going to be right there. And now I want to use these values to the left and to the right. I typically want you to use 5 points. So I'll do one as an example here. If we plug in the -4, we'll have y equals the absolute value of -4 plus 3 minus 2. Y is going to equal the absolute value of -1 minus 2. The absolute value of -1 here is going to be 1. So your y value is going to be -1. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my ordered pair. Remember, I plugged in a -4 for the x, so the ordered pair is going to be -4, -1. I'm going to go right here to -4, -1. That's going to be my next point. And you can see if we plug in a -2, we're also going to get -2 plus 3, which is 1. Absolute value of 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 is also going to be -1. So you're going to want to use a couple points to the left of the vertex and a couple points to the right of the vertex. It's going to allow us to basically see our V here. After you plot your 3 points, you're just going to want to draw a line. Notice that I stop at the vertex there. And the same thing here. You might want to put little arrows, just insinuating that the graph, of course, continues in both of those directions.